Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Bryan University and BUS145, Business Communication. We will be practicing our communication skills, both written, different types of writing, different types of written communication in a business environment, and verbally, oral communication. Our live sessions will be dedicated to oral communication. We'll be doing some fun exercises in those sessions. So come prepared to shake off your nerves and talk. You'll be doing most of the talking, not me. It makes it a little trickier to get credit for the live sessions. You'll have to not only give me a summary of the live session through inbox, you'll also have to record yourself doing the exercise that we do during the live session. We will have Learn It's every week. There are some assignments in this course. And of course, Yellow Dig is our community platform where we build community and explore different topics in the world of business communication. Our live sessions will be held on Wednesdays beginning May 1st, every other week, at either 6 a.m. Pacific time or 5 p.m. Pacific time. There will be 4 live sessions. I really look forward to seeing you and hearing from you in our first live session on Wednesday, May 1st. Get into your course early this week and be ready. It's going to be a fun ride. See you then.